Researching for a business, blog, vlog, or just looking for trends related to a topic that you're passionate about and that you want to evolve, maybe build an online business in the future. Let me share with you how to use Google Trends, a free tool on the internet. It's available right at your fingertips, and I'll walk you through step by step how to search for your passion topics and how they are trending over the world and in specific areas. And I'll reveal to you the secret to using Google Trends. Hey, this is Malin. I'm your online business mentor. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. Please hit subscribe and the bell so that you don't miss out on anything. Are you ready? Bring out your PC, open up your browser, and let's dive in. Type trends.google.com and hit enter and get to this enter search term or a topic box. I'll be using weight loss to start with. I've been working with it a lot and I'm very interested in the trending of this topic. It's right now United States, that's pre-selected, so I'll go for worldwide, and let's see how weight loss is trending worldwide over the past 5 years. Oh, look at that. I'm not surprised. This tells me what I already thought, that around January every year, this is a very hot topic that people are looking for all over the internet. And during the pandemic, this peak right here has entered into the search patterns of people worldwide, and that's what I figured. And let's check out United States and see the trending of this topic there. Oh, the graph looks the same. So this is how much interest there is in this topic in the United States over the past 5 years, and there's an extra peak right there during the pandemic. Interesting. Let's look at some other countries. United Kingdom, for example. Yeah, trend looks the same. The spikes are in January. Nothing surprising about that. And then after being locked down and locked indoors inside, people are looking for this topic again. Look at Canada. Looks the same. Right, let's get back to weight loss and worldwide and see if we can compare this search term to something else. I want to find a term that I can use in general in my business or my vlogs. So I'll see if lose weight is more interesting around the world. No, it's not. It's red. Weight loss is blue. Lose weight is red, and you can see that weight loss is more popular than lose weight. So let's look at keto, because I know that is trending now. Oh yeah, something is happening with keto. What about vegan? That's a hot topic as well. This is for you, my sister. You should do this because I know you're into the vegan business. Alright, so vegan and keto are hotter topics than weight loss and lose weight. Let's look at what happens in the breakdown by region. If you're in Australia, you can see that vegan is the hottest topic of the 4. In India, it's weight loss. In Sweden, it's vegan by far. Brazil, vegan as well. What about the US? It's actually keto, beating vegan with 3%. Mexico. Canada, vegan is beating keto with 2%. Let's dive into the United States and check out what happens in the different states. Scroll down. There we go. All right, so let's look. Northeastern states. Vegan is more popular than keto. Look at Florida. I've got relatives in Florida. California, Oregon, Nevada, all vegan. The rest is keto. Alaska, keto. Hawaii, vegan. Okay, so if your business is local, this is what you can do. You can even drill down into cities. If we want to see related queries to weight loss, it doesn't really matter if we use 5 years or 12 months. Adele's weight loss is apparently very interesting. Let's look at what's on top right now when it comes to weight loss. Okay, it's the search term weight loss diet and best weight loss. Those are the ones. Let's scroll down and look into the other terms. Lose weight. Keto is there, that's good. Let's look at the top. Queries there. How to lose weight. All right. So with this gives you an indication of what terms to use in your content that you're creating, and how to phrase, for example, the goal of your business or the content, so that you can become intentional in satisfying your audience. The secret to using Google Trends is, of course, that you want to provide content to your audience that they want. You want to satisfy your customer avatar, your target audience, and provide them with as much value as possible. And in order to do that, you want to find out what they're interested in, what's trending out there in the market, and how can you step in and provide that value with the content that you are creating. That's the secret to using Google Trends in your market research and analysis. Okay, that's it. You're on your way in your market research. Congratulations and good luck. Check out my other videos, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell, and I'll see you in the next one.